A wonderful good day and a warm welcome to our new video. New short video. Yes, as you can notice in the title, here, 5 service reset. I'll show you once we turn on the ignition. The door is open. South. Service in 2600 kilometers, we want to reset it, so turn the ignition off, press the button and keep it held down, then turn the ignition on, service now, and simply rotate this one to the right. Service display has been reset. Important, and it must also be mentioned that when we do it this way, manually reset it, then the whole thing has been reset by 15,000. However, if you want to reset it to long live 30,000, then you have to do it through the VCDS computer. Yes, if there are any questions, simply write them in the comments below and I'll make a separate video about it. Also, with many other models like the Audi, I believe, and others where I've reset it with VCDS, you can see how it's done with VCDS and it's exactly the same. Whether it's here with VW or with Audi using VCDS, you can easily reset the entire thing to 30,000 kilometers. Or you can even code it yourself, whatever number of kilometers you want it to be. And yeah, if you enjoyed the whole thing, leave a thumbs up. Drop in the comments below which cars I should reset the service light for next. And yeah, I'd say that's all for today. See you next time. Bye now.